Welcome to the PiXL KS2 QLA Tool. This software has been designed to offer schools an alternative online assessment to the more conventional paper test. Its aim is to help reduce teacher workload with online marking and collation of data, whilst also providing students with more immediate feedback. So let's now learn how to use the software. To access the site as a member of staff, log in using your PiXL ID, staff as the username and your PiXL password. Students at this point would use the PiXL ID and their PrimaryWise username and password. Next, select Mathematics from the home screen. You will now see a list of all of the online assessments. For the purpose of this training video, we are going to use the practice test, so select the button labeled Practice Test. This is your covey board of results. The information displayed in this table has been compiled using data that has either been entered by the teacher, or has been automatically marked in an online assessment. Here we can see that Abbott S has completed their assessment already. Hovering over any of their cells, the site brings up a preview of the question they attempted and their answer. Question 4 has a ring around it. This indicates that this question is to be teacher assessed. To mark question 4 for a specific student, hover over their cell to bring up their answer. A long hover will bring up an enlarged preview of their answer if the text is quite small. To enter your teacher assessment, enter the mark within the cell. If there are not enough devices to go around, some students might need to be given a paper copy of the test. With this in mind, once the test has been marked, we can still enter their results onto this screen. Simply find the student in your class register and enter their results into each cell. As soon as a mark is entered, it is automatically saved. We now have all the results, for both students who completed the test online and on paper, in one place. The information stored within the table can be exported in one of two ways, either by Excel or a PDF report. The PDF report is customizable and should be given out to each named student following the test. The reports hopefully give students more of an awareness of their current progress, with strengths and weaknesses clearly highlighted. To help model how to complete the online assessment, the same test is accessible from the staff account. Questions come in a variety of formats. With this question, an answer box and a keyboard are displayed. Students can enter their answer using the virtual keyboard, or the physical keyboard in front of them, if they happen to be sat at a laptop or computer. If students are using touch-screen devices, they can also provide working using the pen tool, but must put their final answer in the answer box. Select Submit It, or mark it to move on to the next question. If you are unsure about how to answer a question, you can skip it and return to it later. With this question, a table needs to be completed. Click in each table cell and type your answer. As you move through the test, you will have noticed a progress bar sliding along showing you of how far you have got with the test. At the end of the progress bar is a button titled View Progress. Selecting this button will show you a list of all the questions and answers that you have submitted so far. Should you wish to attempt a question again because you have either changed your mind about an answer, or it was a question you previously skipped, select Attempt this question again. This question will then go to the front of the test question queue. You can then reattempt the question and carry on with the test. With this multiple choice question, you have 4 possible answers. Simply select the option that you think is the answer. One of the final types of questions requires the user to answer the question using the pen tool only. With this style of question, you will need to draw your answer on the question before submitting or marking it. At the end of the test, students will be given a full breakdown of all questions and answers that they have submitted. This will give students one final chance to review their work and finalize their answers. No results will be shown on their feedback screen until they select End the test at the top of this window. Once this is pressed, they have finished the test and can then see their on-screen feedback. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the PiXL KS2 QLA Tool.